Okay, live chart analysis tayo kay Bitcoin futures contract. Ayan, 4 hours kay Bybit. Okay? Bybit, hindi na tayo kay Binance. Hindi na natin love si Binance kasi mahal na yung fee ni Binance tsaka meron na siyang fee doon sa ano niya, P2P trading. Kay Bybit na lang tayo. Mura na yung fee, tapos at the same time, wala pang charge yung P2P transaction kapag naging merchant ka. And by the way, sa P2P, meron akong i-announce na short video course or discussion, live discussion, kung paano makakita ng arbitrage opportunities using P2P trading. Alright? So watch out for that one. Okay. So analysis natin kay Bitcoin is makikita nyo dito, definitely meron tayo ditong ranging market. So the highs is contained within this range and the lows is contained within this range. So therefore, unang observation natin na makikita is Newton's first law of motions applies. So, 'di ba? Ang sabi sa first law na in any object, this time this is the price, uh, will remain constant or at rest or in motion not unless merong external force na mag-intervene. So dito clearly nakikita natin yung price is on a sideways market for quite some times na, and as per the Newton's first law, it will remain on a sideways market not unless external force acts into it. So ano yung external force? Could be market manipulation or news or events. So depende kung paano magre-respond yung tao doon na magre-reset nitong motion ng ating price action. All right? So with that in mind, we identify the important highs and lows as usual. From vectors 1 to 2, makikita nyo dito, sellers are still in control. Galing tayo dito sa malaking downward movement after mag-accumulate ng energy ulit. Ayun, in-spend niya ulit. Once energy is exhausted, price, ayun, si buyers naman yung nag-try pero dahil nga overwhelming yung strength ni sellers and we are in a bear market, so they are in control of this market. So, ayan, nung na-resume yung ano nila, yung strength nila, tinry nila i-surpass yung number 2, but then it got failed. And number 2.1 is the three-dimensional axis ng market manipulation on a single candle. During that time, imagine na real-time nyo itong tinitignan at wala pa tong mga to. May kita nyo dito clearly na this is a bond restore effect trying to wash out itong minor high na ginawa ng buyers. Kaya we call it wash line. Ito yung hopium. Makikita nila na sunod-sunod yan and makita nila yung candle na yan. Oh, okay, sige, sige. They are, the buyers are trying to surpass number 1. Pero nung nag-failed yon, ayun, bumalik dun yung price. Ito, nagre-retrace. Thinking na this could be a higher low. So kung may higher low ka, anong expectation dito? This could be a proper potential breakout creating a higher high. Eh, ano ang nag-create ng higher high? Anong ginawa ng market manipulation? Ayun, ini-smack down yung price kasama ng mga hopeful buyers na bumili dito thinking na price will gonna shoot up and surpass number 1. And that's where the reverse psychology comes into play and the bandwagon effect as well. So ayaw nilang ma-miss out na mali na yung basa nila sa chart. So nag-jump in sila sa opposite direction. Ayun. And dito, makikita nyo dito yung outward frequency line natin, in-extend natin, which is also the range ng uh, lower level ng price. Makikita nyo dito, meron tayong apat na test na this is the lowest low ng chart. Hindi yung extreme low, the lowest average or the frequency nung price. Alright? And after 2.2, yan, price nag pahinga ng konti kasi from number one pa lang and up to dito sa manipulation, napakaraming energy na spend. And price needs a couple of candles to restore its energy ulit para magkaroon ng malaking move. And this is what exactly happened dito sa number three. After magkaroon na makaipon ng buyers ng enough strength, sila naman yung nag ano, nagpakitang gilas. And by the way, this is a clear bond restart effect. Itong candle alone na to. Kasi ito yung nag-stand out. So, meron na tayong candle na finally na-surpass yung manipulation dun sa 2.1. And then, ano na naman, eto na naman, hopium na naman. Ayan, sige, ordered na naman sila, walang kadala-dala. Breakout traders natin, hoping na kapag na-break to, retest, and then shoot up. And anong ginawa ng market makers? Ayun, pinakagat. Inubos yung mga stop loss and liquidity. Tinrigger yung mga um, buy limit orders. Ayan. And right after ma-trigger and ma-drain yung ma-poke yung cluster of orders, number three is a hybrid bar with a fractal and selling pressure quality. And take note that this is an outside bar also, completely engulfing the previous two candles. Ayan, makikita nyo yan. And this is so happens at the same time na this is a dynamic frequency breakout. And at the same time, this is also a reverse psychology and bandwagon effect. Kaya makikita nyo naman, isang tatlong candle lang or apat na candle lang yung tumapos ng usapan, creating low number 4. So, this is the market maker playing with the retail trader na ito yung mga buy the deep. Ito, yung mga nagbabay sa deep, mga nagbabay sa deep. Ayan. Ito, yung mga gustong umexit agad sa, I mean, gustong makisabay dun sa trend pababa. So, both yan is winawash out nila. And dito, makikita nyo dito, at low number 3, dun sa next na low between 2.2 and 3, nakakita tayo dito ng outward frequency line which captures the frequency tails um, ng ating price action from number 3, from sellers number 3. And nung hindi nag-close below yon, yung price action natin, lumabas ang inside bar. That means, this signifies na meron tayong buyers na nagpakita dito na nagpa-stop nitong violent move to the downside. And right after that, anong lumabas na candle? We have a fractal bar. Yan. With a lot of buying pressure and selling pressure on both sides. And this is where kung tinetest nila kung saan pupunta yung direction. And this is also an outside bar. This is a hybrid bar as well. Kaya right after matapos nitong candle na to, ayun, may buyers tayo na pumasok. And then right after, meron ito yung mga background noise na sellers na gustong pumasok pa rin pero hindi. Clearly dito pa lang sa outward frequency natin na meron tayong inside bar and hybrid bar. Yan. Na-stop na yung movement ng sellers dyan. And knowing na meron tayong range galing dito sa low 2 and 2.2 and meron tayong in-extend na line, we can assume na price will gonna bounce back on either high and low. And this is what's interesting sa sideways market. Karamihan takot na takot mag-trade sa sideways market or consolidation. Pero kung alam nyo na wala masyadong intervention, na walang major news events, walang hopium, walang ano, and walang big market manipulation na willing i-break ito, and nakikita nyo from the previous data na nire-respect yun ng price. Even market maker respects this price range. So you can safely assume na once na mag-bounce up yung price dun sa either low and high, it will return to the median line. Dito papasok yung linear regression na nagwo-work talaga. This is the point in time na yung market have a constant mean. So, bounce up, balik dun sa center line, bounce up, center line, bounce up, center line. So, either mag-bounce up dito, we know na magbabalik yan sa center line. Ganyan kaganda mag-trade sa sideways market. And that's an idea only, pero do that kapag meron tayong confirmation. Alright? Just keep that in mind for now. And moving on, meron tayo ditong number 5, returning to the minor supply zone coming from number 3. And nung sumausaw siya dyan, ayun, nag-create siya ng low number 6. And from low number 6, this is ano naman, yung demand zone naman natin. Number 6 is a demand. Remember the short-term memory window ng market. So dito nag-decide yung buyers pataasin to create high number 5 yung price. So nung yung price nag-touch doon, kita nyo naman yung reaction, and then when it almost gets back to that one, this is close enough, doon nag-react ulit yung buyers, creating high number 7 and surpassing high number 5. From there, meron tayo na develop ulit na demand zone. Yan. Ano ba yung frequency? Ito. Yan, yung frequency. So, meron tayo ditong demand zone ulit, minor demand zone, na being challenged. Okay? And from number 7, balik tayo dito kay number 7 bago tayo makarating dun sa low na yon, is may kita nyo dito yung attempt ni buyers na stop yung sellers dito. So, meron ka ditong dynamic support and resistance. From previous, ito pala, extend natin yan. From previous resistance to support, dyan sila nag-try pataasin yung price. But then, sellers at this area, at this level, maximum level natin, is not willing them to give the momentum. So, sellers are not willing to give up itong area na to. So, binatuhan sila ng, again, fractal bar dito, creating a downward movement to the downside. Ngayon, ang tanong, saan siya mag-stop? So, there are so many lines to be drawn para ma-identify kung saan siya mag-stop. First is, we have to observe na meron tayo ditong organized behavior. And this could mean a potential bond restore effect. Itong bond restore effect. Itong mag-stand out na candle na to, out from number 6 to 7. Ito yung pinaka malaking candle, kung napapansin nyo. And now, price is displaying an organized behavior. Oh, interesting. Okay, meron tayong organized behavior dito. And now, the demand zone is being challenged. And makikita natin, price is hindi pa nagko-close doon sa demand zone natin. Pero, we can see na meron tayo ditong cluster of orders para sa mga nag-buy dito sa demand zone natin. Bakit alam natin na may nag-buy? Alam ba natin yung ano? Meron ba tayong insider? Wala. Pero, yung candle tails na makikita nyo dyan, once na nagtatouch doon, nagpo-produce ng buying pressure. This is a buying pressure sa candle wicks na nakikita nyo dito. And, meron tayo ditong sellers pressing meron tayo ditong sellers pressing the price to the downside, not giving any breathing room sa mga buyers dito sa demand. And this is very organized behavior. Nakikita nyo naman sunod-sunod na red candle yan. Could mean a market manipulation also. So kung meron tayong market manipulation na naaamoy, number 6 is a potential wash line. Ayan. To wash out yung level na to. And hanggang saan makakarating yung wash line depende kung gaano karami yung cluster of orders. Pwede tayong makakita ng mga ganito kalalaking candle wicks ulit. Yan. Depende kung gaano karami yung cluster of orders na nandito. Yung mga naka-buy limit, yung mga uh, stop loss order na mga naka-buy, and yung mga breakout traders na willing to sell after ma-break itong number 6. So, depende sa dami ng cluster of orders, yung reaction. And tatlo lang yung pwedeng puntahan yan. We have low number 4 and low number 2. So, wash line, low number 4, low number 2. So, ang maganda dyan is hindi natin kailangan ma-attack. Kailangan lang natin i-observe kung anong gagawin ng price when it reaches these levels. So, once it reach here, anong reaction ng price? Tignan natin. Once it reach here, anong reaction ng price? Once it reach here, anong reaction ng price? And knowing na if this is a wash line, price will not, should not close below this wash line. If it does, then that means meron pa rin tayong beating flow. So we can observe low number 4 and low number 2 and see what price will do on that area also. So there's another way also in terms of Newtonian trading strategy kung paano tingnan yung exhaustion ng price. So we can plot an Andrews pitchfork, standard pitchfork, using number 3 as an A-axis. Yan, to anchor the A-axis dun sa 3. Number 6, the B-axis. And number 7 sa C-axis. Makikita nyo yung price is almost at the exhaustion point na, which is correlating sa wash line, sa potential wash line na ina-identify natin. So, dito tayo mag-expect ng some sort of reaction. What kind of reaction? How violent is the reaction? Hindi pa natin alam. Pero the lines, the validation of the lines is in tune with price, and we have the wash line here na potential market manipulation at this level, which correlates dito sa exhaustion point ng sellers from the Newtonian trading strategy. And fractal flow, meron tayo ditong reversal divergence, meron tayo ditong reversal divergence, simple reversal divergence, but then it broke dahil nga dito sa continuously pressing ng market players. Yung market players na yun, imposibleng retail traders to na hindi pinapayagan magkaroon ng reaction dito sa demand. So, nakikita natin dito yung intention na i-wash talaga tong area na to. So, this is how you interpret price with logic, and you can have a good interpretation sa kung anong gustong gawin ng market players. Once ma-identify mo yung once na ma-interpret mo yung intentions nila, most probably dun ka makakakuha ng good quality trade opportunity. And meron din tayong slope support. Nakikita nyo yan, which correlates dito sa demand zone natin, and price is respecting that one until this moment. Whether i-break nila yon, we don't know. Pero at this point in time, meron tayong support na nire-respect ng price up to this level. So, we'll see kung anong gagawin ng price. Alright? So, that's it for this video. And this is just a live technical analysis na meron tayo kay Bitcoin. And kung ire-respect nga ito yung price na 'to, we can extrapolate this line to the upside as well. Ayan. And again, following Newton's first law of motion, this is a beating flow to the upside naman. So each time mag-touch 'to, meron reaction yung buyers. So kung this is ito yung reversal area, price should come up here to this black line or to this extrapolated red line. So that's a good target, assuming na meron tayong market manipulation na mangyayari. So we can have a good risk reward ratio. Siguro dito below number 4 and high number dito sa black line, you have 3.3 risk reward ratio and meron ka ditong 4.4 kung dito siya magre-react sa line na yan. And we'll see how the price develops. So we need more price information to confirm our context. Yeah. So in terms of sellers from number 7, the goal of sellers from number 7 is always to create a new low. So pwede niyang basagin si 6 and 4. For the buyers, ang concern niya lang is mag-create ng high. So that means his objective is to surpass number 7 and prevent the sellers from creating low below number 6 and number 4. So kung i-weigh mo yung reasons to go long and reasons to go short, by this time, after lahat ng discussion na ginawa natin, you should be clear kung anong market player ang mas dominant and more likely to prevail both sa context ng buyers and sellers. Right? So, this is how you should um, observe price action. And dito, hindi pa to wash line. Lagyan natin ng question mark. Wash line. And until it is proven a wash line, tanggalin na, doon natin tatanggalin yung price, yung question mark. All right. So, any questions, any concern, you can always comment on this post or sa mga students ng group natin. Meron tayong students sa GC na always we are welcome for any concerns or doubts or clarification na gusto nyo. I-take advantage nyo yun. All right? And sa mga subscribers ng Learn to Earn, this is the chart that I'm gonna publish with the detailed context, with the possible potential trade idea, entry, stops, and exits. Alam na alam nyo yan. And yun lang. We'll see how this trade will plays out. Wala pala tayong trade. Walang trade na magpe-plays out. We'll see how the price will develop.